In the land of sunshine and sea so blue, Jamaica where dreams come true. Yeah, man. Feel the rhythm, let your worries break free. One love, one heart, come catch the melody. Sunshine in paradise, happiness all around. Dancing the reggae beat with feet on the ground. The warm embrace of the island, the sweetest of sounds. Deep within the beauty, a sadness is found.
In the vibrant heart of Jamaica, nestled among the lush landscapes and echoing with the rhythms of reggae, there lay a town bursting with life and color. Here, the air was always rich with the aroma of jerk chicken and sweet mangoes, a testament to the island's bountiful heritage. In this spirited town stood a school, its walls painted in the bold green, gold, and black of the Jamaican flag, a beacon of learning and a cradle of future dreams. Jonny, a boy whose soul was as boundless as the Caribbean Sea, was one of its students. His dreadlocks, a cascade of history and pride, flowed down his back, a living symbol of his rich cultural roots. These locks were more than mere hair. They were strands of resilience and remembrance, weaving together generations of strength and spirit. However, on a day as bright as the smiles around, Jonny found himself at the crossroads of tradition and change. The school, anchored in rules as old as the hills, declared his dreadlocks in violation of its dress code. The principal, a man whose life was a map of the paths he'd walked within the school's traditions, firmly stated the consequence: conform by cutting the dreadlocks or face suspension. Word of this decree spread swiftly, stirring a whirlwind of tension and division. The students, a mosaic of the future, were split, with some standing in solidarity beside Jonny, while others, swept up in the currents of old biases, whispered doubts and judgments. Amidst this storm stood Tasha, a beacon of unwavering support and Jonny's closest friend.
In the island breeze under the Jamaican sun, there lived a young boy named Johnny, full of life and fun. But the rules of the school they started to oppress, telling him he couldn't rock his dreadlocks with finesse. But then came Tasha, a friend
Amidst
with
the
a
storm
voice
stood
so
Tasha,
strong,
a
with
beacon of
passion in her
unwavering
heart,
support
she
and
knew
Johnny's closest friend. Tasha, with her quick wit and boundless courage, saw beyond the tangled web of rules and prejudices. She understood the depth of Johnny's dreadlocks, recognizing them as roots stretching deep into the soil of his ancestors' land. Tasha took to the stage of assembly, her voice ringing clear and strong, weaving through the hearts of her listeners. "It's not just hair, it's heritage," she proclaimed, her words a rallying cry that ignited a spark of understanding in many. Outside the school gates, the town became an arena of advocacy and action. Cultural leaders, activists, and international allies joined the chorus, their voices a tapestry of support for Jonny. The air vibrated with chants for freedom and respect, each rally cry echoing the unyielding strength of the Blue Mountains themselves. Within the school, the air was charged with debates and discussions, the very foundation of the institution quivering under the weight of a pivotal decision. The principal, caught in the eye of the storm, grappled with the duality of preserving tradition and embracing change. The outcry for Johnny's right to wear his dreadlocks burgeoned, transcending borders and resonating worldwide. Social media platforms buzzed with the tale, transforming Johnny's struggle into a global symbol for the right to cultural expression. Amid this tumult, the school board convened, the cries of the people echoing in their ears. And a historic decision, swayed by the overwhelming call for inclusion and understanding, the rules were rewritten. Johnny's dreadlocks, once a point of contention, became a celebrated testament to the school's embrace of diversity. Jonny, with his dreadlocks flowing like the rivers of his homeland, walked through the school's gates, a trailblazer of change. Tasha stood by his side, her unwavering support a testament to the power of friendship and allyship. They knew the struggles that had paved their path, aware of the battles fought in both light and shadow. Together they had witnessed the formidable power of unity, a force capable of moving mountains and rewriting the stars. As the sun dipped below the horizon, bathing the island in a golden glow, Jonny and Tasha stood looking out at the vast sea, its waves carrying stories of freedom and hope. Jonny felt a deep connection to his ancestors, understanding that this victory was not just his own, but a beacon for future generations. "Out of many one people," he whispered, the words resonating with a newfound depth, a promise of unity and diversity intertwined. Under the starlit sky, Jonny and Tasha knew that their journey was only beginning. Yet in this moment of triumph they stood firm, rooted in the strength of their culture and the love of their community, ready to face whatever the future might bring together. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and remember to see the questions in the description that will allow you to reflect on the story.
In the land of sunshine and sea so blue, Jamaica where dreams come true. Feel the rhythm, let your worries break free. One love, one heart, come catch the melody. Sunshine in paradise, happiness all around. Dancing the reggae beat with feet on the ground. The warm embrace of the island, the sweetest of sounds. But deep within the beauty, a sadness is found. Swaying palm trees and golden sand, the spirit of Jamaica. Positive vibes, love and unity. But beneath the surface, a hidden reality.